They said it was impossible. They said the Great Pacific Garbage Patch would last forever. But look at it now, crystal clear. A mirror reflecting a new era of hope.
The giants of the deep have returned, swimming freely in waters once choked by waste.
It didn't happen overnight. It took vision. It took a machine the size of a city.
Meet the Poseidon 7, the guardian that never sleeps, filtering millions of gallons an hour.
For this generation, a plastic ocean is just a story from the history books.
2030, 2040, the turning point, the year the blue heart of our planet started beating again.
It wasn't magic. It was engineering. It was persistence. It was us.
Today, we journey into that blue. We see how we fixed the biggest mistake we ever made. It starts here. A network of smart sensors, listening to the ocean's heartbeat. Like a flock of birds, the autonomous fleet moves as one. Efficient, silent, relentless. The System 03 gently lifts the waste. No nets, no traps, just pure physics working for us. Scouts patrol the perimeter, ensuring not a single bottle cap escapes the perimeter. Inside, human hands guide the machines. We didn't replace people. We gave them superpowers. What was once poison is now resource. The gathered plastic is reborn, not buried. These stations are oases, self-sustaining islands where technology and nature shake hands. The data doesn't lie. The red zones are gone. The Pacific has taken a deep, clean breath.
We fixed it for them, so they would never know the fear of a dying ocean.
Nature is resilient. Give her a chance, and she will perform miracles right before our eyes.
The beaches are crowded again, not with cleanup crews, but with families making memories.
Even the boards they ride are born from the very plastic we pulled from the waves.
Our cities have turned back to face the sea, living with it, honoring it. Clean energy meets clean water, a harmony that powers our lives without taking a toll.
The bounty of the ocean is healthy again. Safe to eat, safe to enjoy.
A clean ocean is a gold mine. Tourism, fishing, research, the blue economy is booming.
We teach them to love the sea, so they will always protect it. And when the sun goes down, the ocean puts on a show of its own.
The deep blue is open. It invites us in, no longer a dumping ground, but a playground. We stopped fighting the rising tides. Instead, we learned to float with them. What we wear tells a story. No longer waste, but a badge of honor. Our farms moved offshore, growing food that heals the ocean while it feeds us. The trade winds carry our goods again. Silent, clean, ancient power, new technology,
Pure water. It's a right, not a luxury. And now, it flows freely for everyone.
The coastlines breathe easier. The mangroves stand guard, no longer choked by plastic. We keep pieces of the old world in museums, a reminder of what we left behind. When the ocean healed, we healed too. The data shows a healthier planet, a healthier humanity. Connection is seamless. We move across the water without leaving a scar. Look at the lights dancing on the water, a mirror of our progress. Bright, clear, future-proof.
Schools aren't just buildings anymore. They are incubators for the guardians of the blue.
Small hands, big impact. Every planted seed is a promise kept to the future.
The shy ones are back. Creatures we thought were gone forever, now playing in the shallows.
Wisdom flows from old to young. The old ways of respect meet the new ways of science.
Abundance returns. The ocean is no longer empty silence. It is a symphony of motion.
We stopped taking from the ocean and started learning from it.
The numbers tell the greatest comeback story in history. Resilience against all odds. Being a hero doesn't need a cape. Sometimes it just needs a scanner and a caring heart.
The gentle giants filter the water, trusting us to keep their home pure.
We aren't just cleaning up a mess. We are building a legacy for them.
We push deeper, reclaiming the abyss. The darkness is no longer full of our debris. The Pacific was just the beginning. The blueprint now spreads to every ocean on Earth. We don't just clean, we predict. We stop the problem before it ever touches the water.
Chemistry became our ally. Materials that return to nature, leaving no trace behind.
Nations united not by war, but by a mission. One fleet, one goal, one ocean. The lungs of the planet are breathing deep again, pumping life back into the atmosphere.
A new generation stands at the helm. They don't know a dirty ocean, and they never will.
This is the horizon we dreamed of. A world where technology and nature drift in perfect sync.
In every single drop, a universe of life has returned. Clear, pure, unbroken.
The tragic images of the past are gone. Now, only instinct and care remain.
We realized that saving the ocean wasn't just about science. It was about saving ourselves.
We built monuments not to conquerors, but to the peacemakers who made peace with the planet.
I remember the gray waters. And I thank God my grandchildren will only know the blue. But this isn't the end. It's a vow, a promise we make every single day. To protect, to cherish, to never let the darkness return.
We came together to fix a mistake, but in the process, we found something else.
We found a new direction, a compass pointing towards a sustainable forever. The pact is signed, not with ink, but with the sand and the sea itself. The ocean roars its thanks. Can you hear it? We are the watchmen, the stewards, the generation that turned the tide.
The circle is complete. What we take, we return. What we break, we heal.
The Pacific is blue again, and it is waiting for you. This is our legacy. This is our home. Welcome back to the blue. Together, we wash the world clean.